Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, so Asavela guys is trending again, and for those people who didn't know that she is back with her husband, I am shocked because of this picture was taken on the 10th of August. We knew that she had moved out, but this is the same house she was living in when she was married to her husband. So I thought we all assumed that she's back with her husband. Now remember that her husband had divorced her because of she was seeing Ubuhle Samuels and had gifted her a white Porsche. You guys remember that? So when I go onto Instagram, guess what I see? Because I knew all this time that she's back at her house, and look at the shade that she thrown. The Porsche seems to be back at its rightful owner. Asavela, the wife, because we knew that the husband had taken back the car that was gifted to Ubuhle. And she also posted a video of herself exercising in front of the cars. And I'm like, oh my God, the shade. Oh my God. Like, I love this girl. I love this girl. And I'm like, yeah, I'm with Asavela here. It's her husband's car. It's her right. What do you mean? Like, damn, like if my husband drives a Porsche and he was with a side chick and he came back to me, I'm driving those cars. What do you mean? It's my husband, it's rightfully mine. Like, you go Asavela, like I don't see anything wrong in here, but I'm just saying, like, the shade was loud and clear and I love it for her. And as much as baby mamas are winning, because there was this thing of girlfriends and baby mamas, and now the men are going back to their baby mamas, I wish the same for wives, that wives could also win, that husbands will go back to their wives, and that wives can also be a threat to the relationship of the side chicks, the same way baby mamas are a threat to new relationships with the baby daddy and the girlfriend, or the side chicks rather, not the girlfriend, the side chicks. So you go. I'm with Azavela. I don't know. What do you guys think about this?